Yes, guys, text to video AI generator. Let's go. Guys, I'm going to show you the best software to use for generating AI videos, automated videos, cash cow videos, faceless videos, whatever you want to call it, guys. I'll show you how to use it and how to create one very, very quickly in minutes, guys. Check this out. So let's say topic I want to talk about is how to make money online, right? A lot of people want to find that out. So that's going to be the topic that I want to get like some text, some article, anything written so that I can use, guys, for the video. Now, I'm going to be using, just so you know, for the actual software, I'm going to use something called PICTORY. Now, PICTORY is fantastic and it's quick, and you'll see how it actually creates fantastic videos in literally minutes, guys. A lot of people love it, guys. It's amazing. It's kind of newish, but it's amazing. So look, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you now exactly how to do it. So remember, I want to find an article first. So I'm going to go on the internet, how to make money online. Let's see what's there. What's okay. Let me just check this out. What's this one? 28 realistic ways to make money online. Let's see what they've got. Let's go. Don't want to watch a video. I want to see some writing. Let's see. Okay, making money, start a YouTube channel, become an influencer, create an online course. So actually it's listing all the ways I can make money. That's a lot of writing. So I'm going to just use one of these things because I can make a long video, but I'm going to just use one of these things just to show you how it works. So we're going to base it on how to make money with an ebook. All right. So I'm going to use this one, this bit. Okay, I'm just going to use this part about making money with an ebook. Copy this. Now, look, you can't take this as it is because obviously it's copyright, right? So you have to change the writing totally, make it into your own words. Now, if you can write it fully yourself, that's fine. But there's a quicker way of doing it. So if you can find a text and then change the writing, change it up using a software. I like using something called Quillbot, which is this. This is amazing software. And literally, you can change anything into your own words, guys, completely. So I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to paste in on Quillbot. Now this is the free version. You can get the premium version, which gives you loads of other features. Look, like make it more fluent, formal style, simple style, creative, expand, shorten, whatever you want. And it will literally change it into your own words, into different words, which you can use, and it becomes your original work. So I've just pasted that part of the text, which is about making money publishing an ebook. And now I'm going to click paraphrase. Yeah. Right. I'm going to just get rid of this number. Actually, I don't need the number because it's number 7. So I don't need it. So yeah. So literally, check this out, guys. I've done it. I've clicked paraphrase. It's become rephrase now, and now it's changed it. So for example, look, the original one says, with Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, it's never been easier to publish. And if you look at this one, publishing an ebook has never been simpler thanks to, it's changed it up, guys. It's changed it into your own original writing now. Now you can use this, guys. Now you can use it. And then so what we're going to do is click copy, go to PICTORY, go to PICTORY quickly. And then what we do is we input our script, which is what we've just got now, to video, right? Okay, so I'm going to click proceed. It's as simple as this, guys. So I'm going to paste what I've just got now into the box here. And then I'm just going to put how to create an ebook to make money. Obviously, title it whatever you want. And then I'm going to click proceed, guys. And then I'm going to click proceed, right? So what it's going to do is going to transform this into like videos and text, right? So I can choose any style I want, because what it does is, what's beautiful about this PICTORY AI is that it transforms things. So I'm just going to click this, yeah, for the sake of argument, this one, this caption standard, right? Continue. Now what it's going to do, look at what it's going to do. It's going to transform it into videos, my text into videos. And it's so intuitive, guys. It's so intuitive. It will change it up into what you're saying as well. And I'll show you what I mean. But guys, remember, check out the link in my description for all my free trials, including PICTORY, guys. You can try out for free. So look, what's going to happen is it's going to actually bring up right? The videos. It's gonna complete the video right now. It's almost done. It's gonna complete the videos, and it's gonna have the writing and everything inside. There you go. Look at this, and it will be related. What I love about it is related. So let's just preview. Let's just preview this very quickly. Do a quick preview. That's just the sort of the first part of it, right? I'm just going to go to a different one. Let me go to a different scene. So what it does is broken down the text into different parts, and that actually sort of makes sense. So for example, here it says, although I didn't get wealthy in 2013, I did gain some money. So look, you've got image with like, money and that kind of, it tries to relate it. Now granted, sometimes it does need slight changing or tweaking. You might need to change things up, and it could be the writing style, the font style. So, for example, it could be the font style that you might change up. So the font might be bigger, smaller, colors, whatever. You can always do this, guys. Look, I'm just going to put it at 26, for example. I'm just going to make it smaller and then apply to all. But also sometimes it might not relate fully to what it's saying, Let me click on scene 5. So it's very important to check it. So when you look at each scene, just preview it. Here it says, for your ebook, you have the option of hiring a writer, graphic designer. So obviously this is an image of someone who may be a writer or a graphic designer, okay? And it looks like they're thinking about designing something. So what they try and do is they try to get images that relate. Sometimes you might need to change up the video because it might not relate fully, but that's okay. You can do that. And then if you want, you can add a voiceover, which is fantastic. So I don't like to record a voiceover myself, obviously, for obvious reasons, because my voice ain't the greatest. I like to get nice voiceover, nice ones that they have. There's loads. Look at the selection, guys. All these voiceovers. You got English UK style. Let me get English UK. I had American last time. Let me try the English one. Arthur.
Welcome to PICTORY. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 8%.
Hazel.
Welcome to PICTORY. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
So that's English. You got American, obviously, as well, which is really cool.
Welcome to PICTORY. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
I'm going to use Hazel.
Welcome to PICTORY.
Let me apply.
It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
I want to preview this, guys. So check this out. Let's see. Now, like I said, some parts make, it's just look how quick it is, though. So remember, we're trying to make a video on making money using ebook or like selling ebooks. That's our topic, guys. So yeah, let's see how it looks. But like I said, this is like, look how quick it is. 2, 3, 4 minutes done. And now we're previewing it, and now it's almost ready to upload on YouTube, guys. Check this out.
Release an ebook. Publishing an ebook has never been simpler thanks to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. All that's left to do is write the ebook, format it, design the cover, release it, and market it. Although I didn't get wealthy in 2013, I did gain some money from the various publications I published on Amazon. For your ebook, you have the option of hiring a writer, a graphic designer to create the cover, and a manuscript editor to fix any flaws in the text. Choose keywords based on frequently used Amazon searches when conducting your research. I frequently employ the keyword tool, which enables you to discover the terms people enter into search engines to create titles that are optimized for those terms.
Pretty cool, guys. And I wasn't sure about the guy with the teeth and the dentist one. That was maybe a bit random. So that one probably needs tweaking, needs looking at, rechanging. But that's easy, very easy to do. You can change it up. So, but look at it. It's really, really amazing, guys. And it's very intuitive. And generally, it looks fantastic with the voiceover, with the music and everything in the background. That's how you do it, guys. This is a quick way to create, easy, simple videos, AI generated using text or script or anything, guys. So yeah, check it out. Check it out. Like I said, check the link in my description for all the free trials. And also, look, when you create your video, you want to create a really nice, simple thumbnail. My thumbnails are created using Canva, guys. I mean, there's nothing better than Canva.
Release an ebook.
Whoops.
Publishing
Sorry.
an ebook has never been simpler thanks to
Let
Amazon.
me pause this.
Publishing an ebook has...
I don't know why. Okay. So coming back to Canva. Look, these are my templates. Look, they're very simple. But guys, Canva has amazing templates you can use. So yeah, I think I would recommend Canva for the thumbnails if you're doing YouTube videos as well. Fantastic. But guys, like I said, if you like the video, hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and please don't forget to check out my playlist as well, guys. It's definitely worth seeing. Got loads of videos on this topic. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.